We were 5 steps from eternity. We were 4 steps past love and 3 wishes. We were through wishes. Let me start. Ooh, y'all don't know how much I get on my nerves. But anyways, hey guys, Misha here, and welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, this video is going to be my May Boxycharm. So without further ado, let's hop on into it. Also, before we hop on into it, if you do not know what Boxycharm is, I did go into detail on my first video when I did my April's Boxycharm unboxing. So I ain't gonna do that whole spiel about what it is. So if you don't know or you're not familiar with it, please check out my very first video. It'll give you all the deets on what Boxycharm is. So now without further ado, let's hop on into it, guys. All right, so this box, look, she looking real thick and she feeling real heavy. So let's see what we got in here. So, of course, that's what the box looks like. This month's theme is Mother Nature. And it says, packed with the gloves and love. And that's what it looks like here. So I'm just going to go on and grab something out. And the first thing we have here are the Elements Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. That's this right here. Elements. We got this last month, that little green bottle. By the way, I love that stuff, y'all. It feels so good on the skin. So these are like little facial pads, kind of like the Noxzema ones you would have. And they smell really good. Let's see what they about. It says here that these dynamic resurfacing facial pads are powered by Elements' patented, you heard me, patented, there we go, tri-enzyme technology combined with a mild lactic acid and probiotic. It's supposed to be good for revealing visibly luminous skin. And that's going to run you $59. Now, you know what I told y'all last time. With prices like that, it's got to be good. Otherwise, why they charging all that? But anyhow, that's neither here nor there. But that green calming stuff that I did get from them last month, I'll show you guys. This right here, y'all can see. Your girl's been using it. It feels really good on the skin. I do use this every morning. Y'all, it's good stuff. So I'm excited to give this a try, and I'll let you guys know how it is. The next thing I am pulling out of the box is this Appeal Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. Looks like this. And this is in the color Sugar and Spice. Y'all know I love me a nude lipstick, baby. Y'all, it would have been real smart if prior to filming this, I opened this up, which I did not. So, bear with me as I struggle. Kind of smells like vanilla. Let's see, I'll give it a swatch because I already got stuff on me. But I'll let you guys see what it looks like. So this is the color here. I think it's chocolate girl friendly. What do y'all think? I'd wear it. It's real pretty. Let's see how it dries down. So let's find it on here. This is a luxurious cream lipstick Y'all, sorry. Got hair all on my face. There we go. I got it. So this is a luxurious cream lipstick. The sides, see, they tried to make it seem like I couldn't read, but they can't write, because it says this is a luxurious cream lipstick that sides on with ease. So that's why I stumbled. So I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be slides. So take two. A luxurious cream lipstick that slides on with ease and stays comfortable all day. This lipstick has a satin finish and covers with one application, rich in color. And this will run you for $21. It is pretty though, y'all. I like it. The next thing we have here is Pretty Vulgar. And this is, what is this? Eyeshadow primer. Oh, I guess I could, it's got a little tube, looks like this. It's a nice little pinky color. We have gotten Pretty Vulgar in several Boxycharms. Their packaging is beautiful. I love all of their packaging. It's kind of like old school vintage vibes. So that's what the tube looks like. And the deets on this is Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer is blendable, lightweight, skin smoothing formula that will enhance your eyeshadows by making them vibrant and long wearing. And this little baby will run you for 22 bucks. And that's what was weighing that box down, honey. What is this? Something from Tarte. If I turn it this way, I can read. So this is what it looks like on the outside of the packaging. So this is micellar water. I already used a micellar water. It is the bee's knees, but you can never have too much. I'll show y'all the one I use. This one. This is the one that I'm currently using from Garnier. I love it. It cleans like nobody's business and it's good. So this I do like. The bottle is really, really, really pretty. Oh, it's clear. So look how pretty the background is. I love that. That's nice. Ooh. Okay, so one thing that this has that the one I just showed you guys doesn't have is this little pumpy thing where you just put your cotton swab, whatever, and pump down. So it really helps you not use a lot of product when you do it that way. So I would definitely be using this. I'm not one to have multiple things open. So before I try this, I will finish up the one that I have. But I do like this. It's good for cleaning your face and taking off your makeup. And this packaging is super cute. Let's see how much that'll run you. So that Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser is 18 bucks. It's not too bad. The Ultimate Lazy Girl Hack. This micellar water is gentle, no rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long wear makeup, excess oil and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. I am all about that because y'all know, like I said in another video, I am a skincare junkie. So I will definitely be using this and letting you guys know how it is. And the final thing we have in this box is Studio Makeup Easy to Wear eyeshadow palette. Looks like this. Let me show you guys the inside. Don't need all that mirror action. Looks like this. So, y'all, it smells like cocoa, like hot chocolate. I like it. It's not something that I'll be using. So again, this is probably something I'll be giving to my niece simply because I already have a makeup palette that's similar to this. It's kind of similar to the Naked palette a little bit, or even those palettes by is it BH Cosmetics or Coastal Scents? I don't know. I'll scroll it across because I can't remember. But whoever makes the reveal palette, it kind of reminds me of that. So again, this is something I won't be using because I have a ton of these shapes already. So I'd rather not waste it. I'll let it go to somebody who'll use it. But I will let you guys know how much that will run you. So that Studio Makeup Easy to Wear eyeshadow palette is... Whew, I was not expecting that. That palette is $35. Y'all, I ain't never even heard of that company, but $35. Y'all know that thing was going to say something like $15. But that palette is $35. And it says that the Studio Makeup Easy to Wear eyeshadow palette displays a versatile color scheme complementing all skin tones for the creation of countless natural and glam looks. Which I agree with because there are a lot of easy peasy looks you can do. Like a lot of nudes, a lot of browns. It's got that pretty shimmery, make sure I'm pointing, that pretty shimmery champagne color right there. So you could do a lot of daytime looks with that. But again, I have enough palettes with those colors, so it's not something I'll be using. But overall, I would say this was a really good box. Again, I loved everything in it. These for sure are my two favorite things just because I am a skincare junkie. So I am looking forward to using those two items. I'm excited to use this too. I love a good eye primer. I currently use the Urban Decay one, the original formula, but I'm excited to use this. The only thing that didn't blow my skirt up would probably be that eyeshadow palette because I've got those colors. But yeah, overall, it was a pretty good box. So let me know if you guys have subscribed to Boxycharm. Did we get the same things? What was... I can't talk. What were your highlights from the box? I already told you mine. And yeah. Alright guys, so that's everything I got in my Boxycharm. Please comment below and let me know if you are subscribed to Boxycharm. Let me know what you got in your box. Did we get the same thing? And what are you most excited to try? I already told you guys what I like. So let me know back. Because y'all know I'm nosy. I done told y'all several times. Ain't nothing changed. Still nosy. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. And before you go, please make sure you help your girl out and like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have already done those things, thank you so much. I truly appreciate your support. Until next time, bye guys.